Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Looking for a little extra protection when you're doing your dishes? Then you need to check out this awesome sink protector. This is a really nice silicone sink protector from Sili products. The protector is perfectly sized so that it fits right over the edging of my sink. So I'm really glad that I can protect my beautiful countertops. Also, what's really nice is I am a super messy dishwasher, so I'm constantly getting water on my shirt or on the floor, but this provides a really good layer of protection so the water doesn't spill over. It has a really nice lip, and you can see that it's really clearly defined. This is a nice silicone product, so it really feels like it's well made. It has edging so that this water will drip right back down into your sink. And I really like it because it's easy to clean, it's easy to care for. They even included a sponge holder, which is a nice feature because no more stinky sponges. You can just put your sponge in there when you're done doing dishes and then it's ready for the next time. As I mentioned, I am a super messy dishwasher, so I really love that I can have this sink protector right on the edge. It has that overlapping part, so really no water will get me while I'm doing dishes, but also I'm protecting my wonderful investment of my countertops. This is a really well-made product. I'm really impressed by how well that it fits, it stays in place, and absolutely completely happy with it. But that's just my point of view.